What is up, everybody? Back again. As you can see, sad face for me right here. Wah, wah. Damn people don't maintain their vehicles, or they were probably on their phone. But their excuse was that their brakes failed. Uh, Trying to get all the information again, still for this one, slowly but surely. But today we're actually working on this. It is the wiper blades, well, actually the full arm. Now, the reason I'm doing this is because these factory ones, they're older style where they have a little pin that goes in, hooks in. Obviously these aren't that hard to do, but unfortunately this style is actually getting harder and harder to find. The more readily available is this, the J hook. So I was able to get this pair. These are actually for the Montero. You can see right there. But they will fit the Mighty Max also. As you can see, I already got one side swapped out. And luckily, because these old ones were pretty stiff already, and they were chattering on my window. But it's a simple swap. I found these with I believe his website is the Montero Man, or Gen 1 Montero Man. I'll put the website in the description. But these, he actually imports them. I bought the set. I don't remember the price, sorry. I'll put the link down though for sure. And they're actually simple to install. All you really got to do is pull this out. It's usually like that. Pop it up. It's that one bolt. And this whole unit will come out. Let me pull this out for you. So as you can see right here, it's just locked in by the little grooves on there. It's got the similar grooves on this side. Just make sure you align it. But I did want to show you guys one thing. Right here, this bend is not that drastic, I guess you could say. But on these, it is. Since they are meant for the Montero, Pajero, these are a little bit more of an angle. So here you could actually see it is a direct replacement. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Now, even though it does have that angle, all I really did was just pick up the arm slightly. Well, not pick it up, but tilt it up more than this one would be. You see? That way this wiper blade doesn't pass here. Now, that being said, they are the same length, so there are no issues. There shouldn't be no issues. Right there. Actually, it might be a little shorter. Slightly shorter. But that's okay. As long as they work, I'll be happy. And actually, I might, for the driver's side, I might actually do what a lot of newer vehicles do and get a larger or longer blade. So these are 16-inch blades you need. Right here, I got mine from Napa. And yeah, I'll show you right now. All you really got to do is take this off. Should actually be able to do it with the camera in hand, or phone, I should say. Okay. Now I'll show you the easy way that I did it. So this is actually at a steeper angle than it normally is because it the spring will apply pressure to it, which is good because when it's on your window, you want that pressure. So I tried pulling it like this and pulling it and pulling it. It wasn't getting anywhere. All I did was tilt this back and wiggle it. Bam. And it is out. Like you see right there, same little grooves. So, nothing else holding it in besides this one nut. And to put it back in, I first actually installed a wiper so I don't hit the glass. And I'll show you how I did it, or how I installed it back on there. So for those of you that have never changed your wiper blades, right here, this style, like I said, is more readily available, and they come pretty much with these. These are removable. It comes with a pack of 2 other pieces, I think it is. So I remember when I bought these for the pin, I actually had to cut that piece in the center because it didn't properly fit. As you can see, it was a little too slim right here for it to work. But with these being J-hooks, these are probably the simplest style to use. And all you really do is match this into here. So one side has the clip right there. And let me see if I could pop it up. So this little clip right here lifts in order for you to remove the blade. So right here, keeps popping down. You use that little clip, pull it up, slide it off if you need to remove the blade. But this is super simple right here. I'm doing it with one hand, so forgive me. Let me try this again. Put it somewhere that it doesn't move. But this J-hook, all you really do is you see that little round section right there. Right there. This is going to grab onto that. So all you do is slide it in right here. And once it's around that bend, there it goes. You just use my stomach right here. Pull it back, and you will hear a click. There it went. So you're locked in place. So now this will not fall off. And you're good. Now to mount this, what I did with the other one, I just pretty much pulled this little cover back, tried to line it up as level as I could, and then just applied a little pressure to the back right here and pulled this side up, pressure and up. That got it down, and unfortunately I have to put the camera. What you're gonna do is just put this nut in, hand tighten it down, now it's on. Grab your ratchet. Now this is a 12mm bolt, very common. And that is it. Now you have J-hook style blades on there. I think I'm going to readjust it though. Pick it up a little more. Because as you can see, the old markings, or it's probably difficult for you guys to see. But this is the old marking where it was, the very end. Now this is going to be the new one. So it might be a little easier right here. Yeah, as you can see, this is the difference in the distance. So I'll be getting a larger blade. Probably instead of a 16, I'll probably go with a 18. So that will extend it over here and over here. On that side, I might actually go with the 17. Because this side looks like it almost lines up where the old one was. But this one's way in. So since these arms are shorter, they do come in. Now I'm not too worried because I bought these on special. I think for the pair it was probably like $10. So I'll just go grab some more. I think I'll do, like I said, probably 18 over here, 17 over there. And from there I should be good. I'll just loosen this up again, readjust it. That's it. So for anybody looking for an upgrade on the J-style hooks, I'll put the link in the bottom. And hopefully that helps. So you guys keep on wrenching. So what I ended up doing is actually getting 19-inch wiper blades. So they cover a whole lot more surface area than the previous factory ones. The only issue, not really a big issue, is let me see if you could see. You see how it doesn't. This pretty much is the line where the wiper goes to. So this wiper never really goes to parallel. Most wipers will go at least up to there, 90. That way, I'm assuming all the water will drop. So this one, you'll notice that there's a little bit of a puddle that stays with it and it gets pulled back. So, not so much right now. But when it's heavier rain outside, this little section right here, it'll get a little bit of a puddle and then it'll pull it back when the wiper goes down. Obviously not a big issue for me. Everything else is so much more coverage. I could probably have gone with 20-inch blades if I wanted to, but the 19's working out pretty good. So I like this upgrade or replacement, whatever you want to call it, because the factory ones, I couldn't find them, but these Montero ones were available. I believe they are actually from the Hyundai Galloper, which is Mitsubishi Pajero Montero first gen. Pretty much the same exact vehicle. I don't know how they were able to pull that off, making the same vehicle as Mitsubishi, but it gives us some more parts. So this was just a little status update. They do sit a little higher than factory, but they don't bother me. So cool. Hopefully you guys got some good info. You guys can use it, decide on your own whether yours were rusty like mine and you want to repaint it, or just get new ones like these. And you can use larger wiper blades. Cool. Keep on wrenching, guys.